If you are waiting to hit 100,000 followers before approaching a brand for a collaboration, you're using a playbook that expired years ago. Brands have moved on. Today, companies actively seek out creators with as few as 3,000 followers. These smaller, highly engaged audiences mathematically outperform large followings when it comes to driving actual sales. To execute this strategy, you need three specific things: a clearly defined niche, an optimized social profile, and a free Zokera account to track your performance data. Raw reach is being replaced by audience trust. For a brand, a niche creator with an active audience is often the most efficient investment they can make. We start with a simple clarity test. When a brand manager lands on your page, they must understand exactly what you do within 5 seconds. Write a bio that states your primary topic and who you serve. Look at this comparison. The profile on the right visually communicates a specific niche, like budget travel or skincare, through the grid alone. A brand scout should understand your focus without needing to read a single caption. Go through your current feed and archive any recent posts that dilute your primary topic. A hyper-optimized profile acts as a passive pitch. It ensures that brand discovery tools and manual scouts categorize you accurately in their database. Once your niche is clear, we look past the follower count. In 2026, your primary professional credential is your engagement rate. You find this number using a simple calculation. Take your total likes and comments, divide by your total followers, and multiply by 100. An engagement rate above 3% is the current industry benchmark for success. Proving a 3% engagement rate allows you to compete with much larger accounts. It shows a brand that your audience is actively listening to your recommendations. Many creators wait for an upfront paid deal before proving they can drive sales. This is a mistake that creates high resistance for the brand. Instead, use a performance-based affiliate storefront. This Zokera interface allows you to curate products and capture real-time purchase data immediately. Add products matching your niche and place the storefront link directly in your social bio. Every purchase is tracked. This dashboard converts follower actions into verifiable data points, showing exactly how many sales you've generated for your partners. This conversion data is your ultimate leverage. It allows you to approach brands from a position of strength because you have mathematical proof that your content generates revenue. Use LinkedIn to find brand managers. Search for the company name alongside keywords like collab or creator program to find people running active campaigns. When you reach out, keep the email under 150 words. The goal is to make the pitch entirely about the brand's return on investment. Start with a one-line intro of your niche, followed by a specific reason why their product fits your audience. Step 3 is your data. Stating your audience made 47 storefront purchases is more compelling than a high follower count. Finish with your specific deliverables, like 1 reel and 3 stories, and a clear call to action. Leading with sales numbers bypasses the traditional bias toward large followings. It proves you are a commerce-ready partner. The collaboration does not end when you post the content. Professional creators focus on the relationship that follows. Compile your results into a performance summary like this one. Include link clicks, sales-driven, and story views to show the exact value you delivered. Reporting on results is the most effective way to turn a single campaign into a long-term recurring contract. We have built 3 pillars: a targeted profile, a data-generating storefront, and a pitch based on ROI. When these elements work together, you are no longer just a content creator. You are a verifiable commerce channel. Your immediate homework is to sign up, build your storefront, and capture your first data points. In 2026, execution and data are the drivers of monetization. Start with your results, and the brand deals will follow.